first jeans. Okay, we are gonna go for this, the jeans that I bought last time. So I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so this is the first one so far. Looks so big. So this is it. So we are gonna put it on. Okay, that's the jeans. I hope you look good on me. This is it. So beautiful. Mommy gets it. My papaya. Okay, guys. I love it. With my waist trainer, it will snatch everything and bring out the waist. So I think we are gonna be wearing the waist trainer with it. Where is the waist trainer? Let me wear it so that we have the fit. Okay, the waist trainer is on and this is it. So the other thing that we're going for, we are going to be trying on. Let me just do it as a jeans, then we'll do the one of the two. Okay guys, keep on watching. Okay guys, the next jeans to go for is this very one. Okay, so we are going for this very one over here, and this one is gonna be so salesy. So before you watch this very one, just okay guys, this very one, this is what we are going for right now. This one is also ear jeans. Okay, you can see the way it is. These jeans have ear, so this is what we are going for now. Okay, so I'm going to be rocking it with this top. Okay, so we are here just for the jeans. Okay, so because this jeans, what I love the color and how it feels. Also love it. So let me see how it will look at me and as we go now. Okay, oh my god, I love it. The unique color of the dress will come with the picture. Okay guys, I love it. I love it. Tell me, I love it. Brother? No, it's put to the side from that. So guys, I love it. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. Love the way it is. So beautiful. So the next one we are going for now, it's gonna be this one. Okay, this one my daughter also have it. One is for Sophia and one is for me. Okay, this one we are gonna let me check the one for Sophia. This one is S, while this one is M. Okay, S is for Sophia, M is for mommy. Let's do two. Questo un giorno dobbiamo fare insieme. Ok, un giorno facciamo insieme il video, mettiamo e adesso non metto un attimo. So guys, this will be the last one to go for. Okay, as I'm gonna do it, I will show you guys how I look. I can't wait to show you guys. You guys know why? Because I love this place, this design over here. This design is just everything. I love the way it is and so salesy and gorgeous. I think I still have extra one of it. They're supposed to have extra one of it because it was two. One was side and one was front. So you see how it is. During the summer, it will be so beautiful. Okay, Sophie, let's go for the last one. So let's go, guys. This is how it is, guys. Look at the front. With that cut over there. Like the top. the cut. Ah! the cut. I love it. Ooh, look at that. Let me pose this way. Give it to me, baby girl. Give it to me. Yeah, that's my favorite. I love it. When your hip is tucking, when the back side is tucking, the shape is tucking, no falling stomach, no sagging body. Okay, so guys, that is it. I have my waist trainer on. Okay, so Isola Bianca is the waist trainer holder. Sponsored by BBG herself with the jeans and the clothes. I bought it with my money, it's not sponsored. So for the waist trainer, contact Isola Bianca. Okay, she's gonna snatch your waist for you. Okay, so we have one to go with the jeans. Okay, and the one to go is this one here. Okay, so this one, Sophia don't have it. I have this one. Okay, no, Sophia, where is your jeans? Last word over. Have you ever recommend? Okay, Sophia don't have this one. Sophia have this one. Okay, this very one class. During summer, I'm gonna snap beautiful picture with it. Okay, you see this thing here? Can you move it this way? Can you even raise it up? And you know, I don't see the way whenever they are walking. So salesy. So the next one to go for now is just this one. Hey guys, anything you love, you just went to me. I can take you to the shop close to me here, not that too far. For the jeans we did a review, and some of that one I did a review on my YouTube. So this will be the last one. I'm sweating because throughout the day I'll be trying to record this video. So this is the last one to go for. This is how it is. Okay, the beauty of this jeans is just, yeah, look at that. So let's go. Because you need to see the way it looks. Snatch. I love it. I love it. I love it. After 3 babies and she's still looking so sales in her class. Hey baby, come and give me a picture please. Give it to your mommy. So this is it guys. Okay. And we need to go. Give me picture baby, come over. Picture please. Let's go. My hair is just fly because of removing dress. I've been trying on different times. Oh, just enjoy my video. But you need to see the beauty of these jeans. Hey, baby, give me that picture. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you enjoyed it, let me know. Say the video you enjoy watching it. Okay, and I will bring more to you. Is that when I remove this label? I'm going to cut everything off. Yeah. I have a lot of label over the fly now. Made in Italy by Demin. I can remove it. Later we'll remove it. So queens, that is it. And I will be bringing the picture. Whenever I'm wearing it, I will know that yeah, I've did a try on of it. Okay. So from now, I'm gonna edit the video. Okay, so the next thing to do is just gonna be of shoes. I'll be doing trying on of shoes. Wear the shoe from like this. My shoes over here. This is Guess. Look at that. Yes. La Guardia. Yeah. The leather forever. Questo la moda di cavalli. Questo è di cavalli. Italia collection. Look at it. You don't see. This la moda cavalli. This Italy. I loved this one, Nakomo. So guys, thank you for watching. In case you enjoy watching the video, just help me to share the video, help me to share, like, and comment. Okay, this one is what I love, the way I felt. That's it, guys. This is how it takes. Okay. Oh, how many? It's what did you? Okay, Queens, it's your baby G. I love myself so much that I can go crazy. I can even rape myself. It's a raping self things. So thank you for watching this video. In case you love it, just say baby G, I love it, and she's gonna bring it for you. Okay? Okay. Sells it.